Yo, what's good everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create this insane flicker plus transition combo for your music videos right here inside of After Effects in just a couple of minutes, and trust me, it's going to level up your edits pretty much instantly. So I'm going to show you how I do it by hand, but also the method that I use to do it by using my Energy V3 preset pack, which basically just saves you countless amount of hours of effort. So let's just hop right into this tutorial. First thing, drop in an adjustment layer. You can use FXVault if you have it, or just right click new and go to adjustment layer. And basically what you're going to do next is add brightness and contrast, and go down to the description below and copy the expressions I have pasted. The first one for the brightness portion, so just click that, click enter and paste that in. And then you're going to copy the one for contrast, do the same thing, alt click on the stopwatch, and then you're going to paste that in as well. And now we have this super clean flicker effect. No keyframe, no timing headaches, it just looks super clean. And now we're going to add some impact to the cut. So we're going to make 1 frame long adjustment layers just like this, and you're going to duplicate it twice and space them out just like that. And normally I'd be blending overlays or doing light leaks by hand, but this time I'm going to be using framers from Energy V3. So as you can see the instant impact that makes, I'm going to be using the black and white glow, evil curse, and the underexposed framer. Instantly it adds a bunch of light, glow, and impact and energy. It looks fire, and all again, that was just drag and drop, no manual blending, no trial, no error, just results. And now let's tie it all together with a shake. So go back to Energy V3, go to transitions, and just grab the earthquake preset and throw that on. And as you can see, looks absolutely flawless. And if you ever tried building shakes manually, you know how long this takes. So it just saves you time back and forth. You get full motion, sync to your cuts basically instantly. So now to add extra spice to this, I'm going to add hue and saturation. Keyframe the hue and range right after the shake ends. And then right at the end of the clip, I'm going to drop the saturation all the way down. After that, we're going to add brightness and contrast and keyframe both of them and bring the brightness down and the contrast up. Now we've got this super cool gritty black and white burnout, looks dope. And to tie everything together, finally, you're going to throw in a final transition between these last two clips, add in another adjustment layer right at the cut, and drop in the cleanest slide down preset from Energy V3, line it up with the middle of your transition, and literally boom, finished. It looks absolutely insane. You got full motion, dynamic transitions, color, and impact, and the whole thing literally took about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So now you know how to build this whole look by hand. But if you're editing music videos regularly and you care about speed or style, Energy V3 is the move. You'll get flickers, framers, transition, color effects, I mean basically everything you need already in drag and drop. There's no guesswork, no wasting hours for building effects every time. So if that's something you're into, the link will be down below, and you can use code energy at checkout to save $5. And if this is your first time copying anything from the site, you can also get 17% off. And yes, both discounts do stack. So if you're serious about leveling up your edits and saving time, link is down below. Go grab the discount before it disappears. So thank you for watching. If this helped you out, drop a like. And if you want to keep learning how to edit smarter, not harder, hit that sub button. I drop new tutorials, tips, and tools pretty much every other day. I appreciate you watching. Peace out.